Hey guys, it's DHK Reaction 17 here, and today I know I haven't been creating some talking about stuff, but now I will. Um, Here's an simple animations that took a lot of effort to get. Oh wow! Hold on, it didn't even take any effort. It didn't match the music, people. And also, I'm so sorry that my last I think it was my first video. No, it wasn't. No. I said that I'm so sorry that I clapped for no reason. But okay. Let's keep continuing. Now, here's some cringy animations that I found. Huh, definitely not bad. Oh wait, I died. Are those hold on. Are those supposed to be barbells? Or something else? Either way, I don't care. It's their animations. No, those are not barbells. Okay, what was that? Okay, what was that? Yeah, let's just continue the video. Okay. Before I show you this one, please do subscribe to my channel. I have two channels actually that is very active. My first channel is Dangerous Husky Killer 17. Now, please follow that please subscribe to that channel. Even though this my the other channel's main topic is different. So I'm sorry about that. And let's continue.
Перед началом видео хочу сказать то, что у меня лагает, и тут 59 кадров, и...
Oh, the voice. But let's continue.
Ну, черно-белое. Короче, приступаем.
I should have done it with my other character. Okay, that wasn't half bad as I thought it would be. But please, do not do front and forth, back and forth frames. It's just a waste of time, and people don't. It's not gonna like that. Have effects on yours. No. Oh yeah, I forgot. Um, if you guys want me to write the text instead of hearing my voice, please comment down below what you think of it, of the idea. I mean, okay, good start, good start. That's a good start. That's actually a good animation. I have no problem with that. Okay. In my opinion, that wasn't half bad as it looks, but not bad, not bad. Hey guys, I'm back and with another video. Now, if you are before I start this video, I mean, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel, turn on notification, and I will not I will not be uploading daily on this account, on this channel. And if you like it, please leave a thumbs up or dislikes or comments down below. Let's begin.
I can almost feel the tick like clockwork, hearing all the voices in my head. Each time I go, there's a game they play that I'm not part of, tearing at the weaknesses and all the false things.
Okay, good start. Good start. Okay. That's good. Hold on. Why is the body so thick? The hand is so thick too. But oh well. That's their drawings, and I don't care about that. Oh, yeah. If you don't know, I'm sorry. I am doing Roto memes in this video right now. If you don't like it, it's all on you. But hey, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave notification, and what you think. Bye bye.